Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got kind of like the odds and ends of the nail mail I got from Miss Becky. So I want to thank Miss Becky so very much for sending me all these delicious goodies. I'm going to hop right on into it. She sent me a Born Pretty Clear stamper, and we all know I'm a stamper junkie. I love having options. In case one don't work, it's good to have another, and I love the ones with metal things, because y'all seen some of mine, like this example right here with just stuff all over it. If you try to clean it up with acetone, you're going to end up ruining it. Now, one of the stampers got broke in shipping, and it was shaped just like this, but it was plastic, and the stamper part itself got broke, but the stamping head was fine, so I'll have a backup for that one. And this is like a monocle stamper like I used for Maniology. This one might have came from AliExpress or somewhere like that. I bought them from there before too. They're a little more firm than the one from Maniology, but I love these stampers. She sent a Ejubis with the crystals in it. Ejubis, and I love these little stampers too. I don't use them a whole lot on recording because they're not as easy for me to work with the camera, but I do love them, and I do use them. And this one, I believe, yep, is a Sonia. This was one of my first favorite stampers, and I'm so glad. It's good for short nails for sure. I love it. Okay, now on to some of the other goodies. She sent me a whole bunch of these, like, chrome, I guess, well, there's one in here that's not chrome. Okay, yeah. So let's start with the not chrome one. So she sent me these iridescent flakies. Now this, to me, is magic. Magic in a little container. If you don't buy indies, but you like the look of all that crazy stuff that the indie makers are putting out now, you could use these with your own polishes, your creams, your jellies, you know, or put them on top of anything and make them look cool. Now, I went through and wrote down all the numbers, so when I use these, because I took them all out of the bags, when I use these, I'll be showing these numbers, and I think these are the Born Pretty numbers. Yes, Born Pretty. So we've got those, and then we've got like a blue multi-chrome, and like a greenish, bronzy greenish, olive green looking, and then this one's just like green. And of course I'm not opening these up. That's I'd make such a mess. And this is like a rose, fuchsia, magenta. It's definitely a duochrome. It's changing colors as I look at it. Not so much on the camera, but it is in real life. And this one's going blue to purple and green. It's mostly showing up green. But I guess around the edges you might can see them. And then another gorgeous like purple fuchsia one. And then, oh, this is like cobalt blue and purple. So, I love stuff like this. I need to play with these more. Maybe I'll break these out soon. Another blue, purple one. And then another purple one with like teal. It's not showing up on camera, but those are those. So she sent me a bunch of pots of these. I'm so excited. I'm going to put these away so I can get into the next round for this video. Okay, so she sent me a ton of foils. We've got like a little lace design. Oh, that's got a different pattern on the other side. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so the lace design is only on the bag. It's not on the foils. I love this. I've had this before. It's like watercolor or something. Let me fix this light. Let me see. Is that going to make it better? Maybe that's a little better. I don't know. I don't want to get it too dark. And then we've got this total holographic balm right there. And a silver holograph. Look at that. And this is like the rainbow. It goes in the colors when your nails are long. But even if they're short, man, these are really cool to play with. We've got another like purpley fuchsia one. And, oh no, that's rainbow too. Look, it's dark blue here, kind of purple, and then it goes gold and the green, and then gold, and then the green, teal, purple. Stunning. Another hollow. Straight up hollow. Oh, and this is, oh my gosh. Foils are so much fun. I need to do them too. See, getting this package is really going to push me. It's like, get out of your rut and get back on track, girl. Start playing with all the stuffs. Oh, and this one's really nice. Okay, that one does have some pattern in it. Can y'all see? It's like a star or something. I don't know. I have to break it all the way open to see, but that's lovely. And then some more rainbow stuff. Oh, pink. Oh, pink hollow. My weakness is my kryptonite there. Now this next one has a pattern on it. You can see the like little swirly stars. Oh, love that. And another gold one. God, I'm hollowed up, gal. I'm hollowed up. I can't even talk. It's got me stuttering. And this is like that pixel or whatever. Oh my gosh. And then a blue one with some little circles in it. Alright, we have a couple of more here. And this one looks black with hollow. Oh, that's interesting. Yes. And then the last one here is real dainty, light pink with the hollow. Gorgeous. Alright, so I want to thank everybody that said they wanted to see all this lovely stuff that Miss Becky sent me. And, you know, the way I look at it is if you don't like these videos, just, you know, come back the next day. Because almost everybody wanted to see everything. They're like, we want to see it all, Miss Tina. So, Miss Tina is going to answer the masses. I am going to show everything, and like I said, if you don't really dig these kind of videos, just wait. Tomorrow, I never will do back-to-back haul, nail polish, nail mail videos. I'm always going to intermix them with actual nail art. So, just, you know, skip that day and come back tomorrow. So, that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like playing with nail foils and like these chromes, these little chrome pots. I need to get back into that. So that is it for me today. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.